Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Today I'm going to show you a tool that can basically handle your entire email outreach process using AI, from writing emails to sending them and even replying to people automatically. Now, if you've ever done outreach before, whether it's for clients, partnerships, or promoting a product, you already know how repetitive and time consuming it can get. So you have to write emails, follow up, track replies, and do that over and over again. That's exactly where Outreach comes in. It's an AI powered platform designed to automate all of that. So instead of manually sending emails every day, you can set everything up once and let it run in the background. So whether you're trying to get more clients, recruit affiliates, or reach out to influencers, this tool can save you a lot of time and effort. Now let's walk through how it can actually works step by step. So to start, you need to go to this link, outrich.in, but don't worry, I'll put the link in the description below. So the first thing you'll do is create a campaign. So inside the platform, you can run multiple campaigns at the same time, which is great if you're working with different offers, niches, or even multiple businesses. Now to get started, you just click add campaign. After that, you can give it a name. So I'm going to say Lovely's campaign. And next, assign it to your business. So once you're inside, you'll see the main setup area. So this is where you define the foundation of your campaign. Now you'll enter details like your business profile, the product or service you're offering, and most importantly, your campaign objective. So, for example, your goal might be to get affiliates to promote your product, book calls with potential clients, or build partnerships. So, this is important because the AI uses this information to understand your intent and generate better, more relevant emails. Next, you'll also set your daily sending limit. So, since this is cold outreach, you don't want to send too many emails at once. So, keeping it controlled helps protect your email reputation and improves deliverability. Now, next step is setting up your email identity. So, this is the email account that will actually send messages to your leads. So, you'll enter details like your name. Now, here's a small tip. So, using a real name instead of a company name usually performs better because it feels more personal and less like a mass email. You have your email address and sending limits for that account. You can connect Gmail or use your own SMTP server. So, depending on what you prefer. Now, let's talk about the most powerful feature in this platform, the email sequence. So, this is where you build a series of emails that are automatically sent over time. So, instead of sending one email and hoping for a reply, you can create a full follow up system. So, for example, email 1 goes out immediately, email 2 goes out after 1 or 2 days, or email 3 goes out a few days later. And you can keep going depending on your strategy. Now, inside each step, you can write your own email or use the AI writer to generate one for you. And this is where things get really interesting. The platform includes several AI tools that help improve your emails, like pre-writing your message for better clarity. You can fix your grammar automatically, so spinning content so each email looks slightly different, and checking for spam triggering words. So this helps your email feels more natural and improves your chances of landing in the inbox instead of spam. You can also create multiple variations of the same email, which is useful for testing different angles and seeing what gets the best response. Now, here's another feature that really makes this tool stand out: automated replies. When someone replies to your email, the AI can actually respond for you. So you can set up predefined responses to common questions. For example, if someone asks about your product, pricing, or details, you can create a response in advance. And the AI will send it automatically when that question comes in. But if you don't want to be fully automated, you can also choose to have replies save as drafts first. So that way you can review and approve them before they get sent. Next, you have your sending schedule. So this allows you to control when your emails go out. You can choose specific days and times. So if you don't want emails being sent on weekends or late at night, you can easily adjust that. This gives your outreach a more natural and professional feel. There are also some powerful AI settings built into the platform. One of them is email verification. So this checks your email list to make sure the addresses are valid and helps you avoid sending emails to bad or risky contacts. Next, another feature is lead enrichment. So this is where the AI gathers additional information about your leads and uses it to personalize your emails. So instead of sending generic messages, your emails become more tailored to each person, which can significantly improve your reply rates. You can also enable automatic rewriting before sending, so every email is slightly different. So this makes your outreach look more human and less automated. You even get the option to choose between different AI models depending on your preference. Next, there's also API access available. So this means you can connect Outreach with other tools or platforms and automatically send leads into your campaigns without manual work. So if you're using another system to collect leads, you can fully automate that process as well. Now, once your campaign is set up and running, you'll have access to your dashboard. So, this is where you can track everything in real time. You'll see how many emails have been sent, how many replies you've received, unsubscribes, and overall campaign performance. So, there's also a built in inbox where you can read and manage replies from your leads. You also have Outbox shows all the emails that have been sent, along with any drafts if you're reviewing AI generated replies. Next, adding leads is very simple too. You can manually input details like name, email, company, and position, or you can upload a CSV file with your entire list. Once your leads are added and your campaign is active, everything runs automatically. So your emails get sent, follow ups are triggered, and replies can even be handled by AI. And that's really the main value of this platform. So it takes a process that normally requires hours of manual effort and turns it into something that runs on autopilot. So overall, it's very easy to use. Everything is centered around setting up campaigns, adding leads, and letting the system do the work for you. So if you're interested in trying it out, there's a link in the description. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.